Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, hi and welcome. My name is Jennifer. I make videos all about houseplants, and in today's video I am gonna be doing a plant haul. So the other day it was my aunt's birthday and she called and asked if I wanted to have lunch together with her. I was working that day, so yeah, we went out, had lunch, and then after that I had a few more time to go to a big box store that was just beside the restaurant. So we went and I saw some plants, so I bought some and she bought some for herself. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a plant haul. I have 8 plants in total, and I have one that was given to me by a friend, so I have 9 to show you today. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first plant that I'm going to show you is a plant that I actually already have in my collection, but because I have a smaller one and I wanted to have like a full pot, and it was just it was just $4, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get another one. So it's the Alocasia Black Velvet. This actually has 2 plant in the pot. I took one out and gave it to my friend, so I was left with this one, and I'm planning to put this together with the one that I already have at hand. So I am just for now acclimating these plants. They are on isolation for now. So yeah, this is an Alocasia Black Velvet. I have not seen any pest on this one, but I noticed the plant or the leaf of this one is curling. I am wondering if maybe it was just because it was lacking water. When I bought it, it was super dry. So I have watered this already, but other than that, I have not done anything else. Yeah, I am excited for this one, and I can't wait to put this up together with the other one that I have. So this is my Alocasia Black Velvet. I like how dark the leaves are of this plant, and the venation of this one is very prominent, which makes it very beautiful, and the velvety texture of the leaf makes it very, very nice. This is just a new leaf that unfurled, and there is a baby one on the way. I'm not sure if it's gonna make it, but I'm okay. The roots were fine. I did see some roots coming out of the pot of this one, so I think it's healthy. It just needs to acclimate into my home. All right, so that's that. Now the next one that I'm going to show you is a bigger plant, but it's very cute. I love how the leaves stand up like they're very perky. This is an Alocasia Bambino, I think. It's just very pretty, and I like I have been shaking this plant like this, and all the leaves are just very straight up. It's so pretty. I love this plant, although I have said in a previous video that I don't like Alocasia that has some shiny leaves. This I made an exception because I like how elongated the leaves are. It's so pretty. Although there are a few leaves that are a little bit damaged, but it's fine. I have 4 that are in perfect shape, so I am happy about it. I have not checked this one yet, but it seemed pretty healthy to me. And I actually have not looked up the care of this one yet, but I will take my time, and yeah, very happy with this. And to be honest, I am actually hoping that it will not grow for me like bigger. I love how compact it is right now. I would be happy to just get a baby down here somewhere. So yeah, this is Alocasia Bambino. All right, the next one I am going to show you is an uglinima. that I don't have in my collection. I have looked it up. I used Google Lens to tell me exactly what the right variety for the plant, but I'm not sure if it was telling me the right name. But I love this one. Look how pretty that is. On Google it says this is an uglinima white stem cutlass. I am not sure if it is a right name, but it seems very similar to the pictures that I have seen on the internet. Very pretty. I love the leaves, the strands of the leaves, and I tend to navigate to plants that has, you know, elongated leaves, because when they grow up, the leaves would just, you know, go straight up. It doesn't take as much space compared to some of the, you know, philodendrons where they spread out. This one is like very compact too. So yeah, I am excited for this one. I hope this is an easy care. I think I have 2 uglinimas in my collection, and they seem to be pretty easy. So I am hoping this one is none different from that. So this has 2 plants in a pot as well, that I took out one and gave to my friend. So yeah, excited for this one. And I got these plants all for a very cheap price. I think this one was $13, and there was 2 plant on the pot, so I think it was worth it. The Alocasia was also $13. So yeah. Okay, the next one is a plant that is very common actually. I have been wanting to have this plant for a very long time, but I have never seen, or I have never found one that I really like and is, you know, cheaper. So that day when we went out, I found this. This is a neon heartleaf philodendron, just a baby one. I have been looking for this one because I have a lot of my vining plants, but I don't have this color of philodendron. I have the regular heartleaf, but I don't have this one. So I was happy to found this one, and it was only $4 something, so very cheap. And I think it's beautiful and it looks very healthy. Same thing, I have not done anything to this plant, and I may, once they acclimated to my home, I may have to repot it, because I am seeing some roots on the bottom, and I will have to spray them with insecticidal soap just in case there are some pests in them, although I don't see any. So this is my heartleaf philodendron neon. Very beautiful. I want to have a big pot of this one because I have my plant wall, and I would like to have this one in the middle to you know, add some color to it, because most of them are just green right now. So this one would be a great addition to the pack. So yeah, that's the heartleaf. All right, now let's go to some smaller plants. The first one I have is this one, a baby staghorn fern. It is just a tiny one. I have 2 ferns already in my collection, but I don't have this one. I think I already had figured out the care for ferns, so I thought I will give this a try. So this one is an epiphytic plant. So basically they grow and get their nutrients from another plant or a tree if they are growing in nature. But I will just be putting this up in a regular, you know, potting soil, potting mix, and try to grow it in a household environment. And I think it's gonna be fine. I have seen a lot of this one on the internet and they're doing well. This is just a very baby and I can't wait for this to grow a little bigger. I may have to do something about this very soon because it is looking like that and it is wobbly. It doesn't even stand up on its own. So this is my staghorn fern, a baby one. All right, next one, since we are talking about babies, I have just a cutting of a rhipsalis. This was given to me. I had this plant for a while now. I have just not shown it. This was like a freebie when I bought a plant from someone on marketplace, on Facebook marketplace, and she gave me a cutting of her rhipsalis. Cacti in general is funny because they said it's easy to take care of them, but I couldn't seem to figure them out. I have two in my collection and they both are struggling. Yeah, this is a rhipsalis that I'm not sure how to take care of. But yeah, it's included in the haul because this is new to my collection. Okay, the next one I have is a very pretty begonia. I am not sure exactly of the variety of this one. I have looked it up. I used Google Lens. It didn't show me exactly which one is this. It just showed me begonia, but not the exact type. So if you guys can, please let me know what this one is. I love how dark the leaves of this one. It has like a black, excuse me, I'm sorry. So it has like a black shades in their leaves, if you could see that. I think when the leaves are fairly new, it is like it has a shade of red to like the veins. It has a shade of red when it's new, and then when it is older, it turns into the black color or dark green color thingy. Very beautiful plant, very fuzzy. I don't know if you could see on the back of the leaves. I don't know if the camera could pick it up, but it is fuzzy. I don't know if I could show it, but it has fuzzy leaves, and I hope I could grow this. I have the begonia frost and I have the Rex begonia, and they are doing very well, especially my frost. So I wanted to try this kind. I kind of like the small one though, because my begonia frost is getting bigger, and since they like a lot of humidity, I left it in my prop box. But getting bigger, it is touching the lid of the box, and I may have to take it out from there very soon. So this one is very nice because it's small, and it will take a lot of time or a few more time for this to grow bigger, and I am fine with that. I like how cute they are when they are small, and I really like to see the plants grow in my care. That's why I tend to get plants when they're smaller. And except for the fact that they are actually cheaper when they are smaller. So there you go. That's a begonia. Okay, the next one, I think we are down to the last two. Okay, so the next one I have is another fern. This is a hard leaf fern. That's what, at least that's what it shows on Google Lens. But I think that was correct because it has the heart-shaped leaves. It has the black furry stems, if you could see that. So it is black and furry. Even the leaves, it has a furry back to it too. This one, the same thing with, or the same with the staghorn fern, is actually an epiphytic plant as well. But since I don't have a tree, somewhat tree-like, to grow this into, I will just have to pot it in a regular pot with a regular potting soil because I don't like to use sphagnum moss. So this is a heartleaf fern that has very beautiful leaves. I like the texture of the leaves, and the back vein, so pretty. I have seen like a bigger pot of this one at the store, and it was really beautiful. So that's the heartleaf fern. Okay, so we are now down to the last one. The plant that I have for the last one is a kalethia. Okay, I know the name of this one and now I don't remember. I think this is a kalethia or bifolia. Very pretty. I have been looking for this one for a long time too, but I don't see like a smaller pot and that is cheaper. So I was so happy when my friend gave me this one. I think she got hers at a grocery store. She got lucky with this one because this still is a little expensive. I actually was looking at another kalethia at the store too that day. It was like in a very rough shape. It wasn't nice, but it was in a 6-inch pot, and they were selling it for $25. I was like, no way, I'm buying a plant that condition for $25. So I am happy to have this one for free. It feels good to get things for free. I know I'm cheap, but I'm just being, I'm just being honest. I mean, I'm not rich, so I don't really want to spend a lot of money for plants. So yeah, this is my kalethia, the newest addition to my collection. I have 2 kalethia. So yeah, that is my last plant for my plant haul. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked all the plants that I've shown you today. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have a good day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!